Top 10 Best Advanced Pocket Knives in 2026. Welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for the best advanced pocket knives of 2026, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top advanced EDC folding knives that deliver next-level performance, premium materials, and real-world reliability. These aren't basic pocket knives. Each one on this list is designed for serious everyday carry users, professionals, and knife enthusiasts who demand the best. Number 10. Civivi Vision FG. Number 10 on our list of the top 10 best advanced pocket knives in 2026 is the Civivi Vision FG, a knife that proves advanced design doesn't need a premium price tag. In 2026, budget EDC knives have evolved dramatically, and the Vision FG stands out as one of the most innovative, affordable folding knives available. What makes this knife special is its unique superlock mechanism, which offers exceptional strength while keeping your fingers completely clear of the blade path. This makes it safer than traditional liner or frame locks, especially for everyday users. The blade is made from CPM Nitro-V steel, a highly corrosion-resistant material that holds an edge well and is easy to sharpen. For daily tasks like opening boxes, cutting rope, plastic, or food prep, this blade performs far better than most knives in its price range. The flat grind improves slicing efficiency, while the blade shape offers a good balance between control and durability. Ergonomics are another highlight. The handle feels secure in hand, even during extended cutting sessions, and the G10 or micarta scales provide excellent grip in dry or wet conditions. Despite its solid construction, the Civivi Vision FG remains lightweight and pocket-friendly, making it ideal for office carry, travel, or casual everyday use. The deep carry pocket clip keeps the knife discreet, which many EDC users appreciate. What truly earns this knife a spot at number 10 is value. You're getting a modern locking system, premium materials, and excellent build quality at a price accessible to almost anyone. If you're searching YouTube for the best budget pocket knife 2026, affordable advanced EDC knife, or best folding knife under budget, the Civivi Vision FG is one of the smartest choices you can make this year. Number 9. Kershaw Livewire OTF. Number 9 is the Kershaw Livewire OTF, one of the most reliable and user-friendly automatic out-the-front knives of 2026. OTF knives were once considered novelty items, but modern designs like the Livewire have transformed them into serious everyday carry tools. Kershaw's focus here is reliability, safety, and legal-friendly sizing, making this knife suitable for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The Livewire uses CPM MagnaCut steel, one of the most advanced blade steels available today. MagnaCut offers an elite balance of edge retention, corrosion resistance, and toughness, making it perfect for an automatic knife that may see frequent use. Whether you're cutting cardboard, straps, zip ties, or heavy packaging, the blade holds up extremely well. Deployment is smooth, fast, and consistent thanks to Kershaw's refined double-action OTF mechanism. In 2026, consistency matters, and this knife fires reliably without the misfires often seen in cheaper OTF models. The aluminum handle keeps weight low while maintaining durability, and the subtle texturing improves grip without feeling aggressive. Another major advantage of the Kershaw Livewire is trust. Kershaw is known for excellent quality control and warranty support, making this knife a safer long-term investment. If you're searching for best automatic knife 2026, best OTF pocket knife, or MagnaCut OTF knife, number 9 on this list deserves serious consideration. Number 8. We Knife Company. Cybernetic. Number 8 on our list of the top advanced pocket knives in 2026 is the We Knife Company. Cybernetic, a knife that perfectly represents the future of premium everyday carry design. This knife is built for enthusiasts who want cutting-edge aesthetics combined with high-end materials and flawless engineering. From the moment you hold it, the Cybernetic feels like a next-generation tool rather than a traditional folding knife. The blade is made from CPM 20CV steel, a powder metallurgy steel known for exceptional edge retention and wear resistance. This means the knife stays sharp for a long time, even with frequent use, making it ideal for people who rely on their pocket knife daily. The blade geometry offers excellent slicing ability while still maintaining a strong, precise tip for detailed cutting tasks. The full titanium handle is where this knife truly shines. It's lightweight yet extremely strong, with precise machining and smooth chamfered edges that feel premium in hand. The ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip during extended use, while the frame lock provides rock-solid lockup you can trust. The ceramic ball-bearing pivot system delivers buttery smooth action, allowing the blade to deploy quickly and effortlessly with a satisfying snap. In 2026, pocket knives are not just tools, they're personal gear statements. The WE knife Cybernetic fits perfectly into that category. It appeals to collectors, professionals, and EDC enthusiasts who appreciate craftsmanship, innovation, and modern design. If you're searching YouTube for futuristic pocket knife, premium titanium EDC knife, or best WE knife of 2026, number 8 is a standout choice that blends performance with style. Number 7. Benchmade Bugout 535-3. Number 7 is the Benchmade Bugout 535-3, a knife that continues to dominate the lightweight, everyday carry category in 2026. Designed for users who want maximum performance with minimal weight, the Bugout is one of the most popular advanced pocket knives ever created, and for good reason. The blade is crafted from premium CPM steel, offering a balance of edge retention, toughness, and ease of sharpening. Its thin blade profile makes slicing effortless, whether you're opening packages, cutting rope, or handling food prep tasks. The blade shape provides excellent control, making it suitable for both precision cuts and general utility. What truly sets the Bugout apart is its carbon fiber handle, which keeps the weight incredibly low without sacrificing strength. This knife is so light that you'll barely notice it in your pocket, making it perfect for hikers, travelers, and minimalist EDC users. Despite its lightweight build, the knife feels solid and dependable in hand. The axis lock system is another major advantage. Fully ambidextrous and extremely strong, it allows smooth one-handed operation while keeping your fingers completely out of the blade path. Benchmade's build quality, USA manufacturing, and excellent warranty further add to the knife's long-term value. If you're searching Best Lightweight Pocket Knife 2026, Benchmade Bugout Review, or Ultralight EDC Knife, number 7 remains one of the smartest and safest choices you can make. Number 6. Spyderco Paramilitary 2, the tactical folding knife trusted by military personnel, law enforcement, and serious knife users worldwide. Even in 2026, the PM2 remains a benchmark for strength, ergonomics, and cutting performance. The blade is made from CPM S45VN steel, delivering excellent edge retention and toughness. Spyderco's signature leaf-shaped blade excels at slicing while maintaining a strong tip for controlled work. The satin or DLC finishes add durability and corrosion resistance. The compression lock is one of the strongest and safest locking mechanisms available, allowing easy one-handed operation without placing fingers in the blade's path. Combined with Spyderco's iconic round thumb hole, deployment is fast, intuitive, and reliable. The G10 handle is ergonomically designed to fit a wide range of hand sizes, offering excellent grip even during extended use. This knife is built for real-world tasks, not just displayed, but if you search Best Tactical Pocket Knife 2026, Spyderco PM2 Review, or Hard-Use Folding Knife, number 6 consistently appears at the top of recommendations. Number 5. Zero Tolerance 0562 Ti. Number 5 on our list of the top advanced pocket knives in 2026 is the Zero Tolerance 0562 Ti, a folding knife built for users who demand extreme strength, durability, and real-world performance. This knife is designed for hard use, making it ideal for construction workers, outdoor enthusiasts, first responders, and anyone who needs a dependable cutting tool that won't fail under pressure. Zero Tolerance is known for overbuilt designs, and the 0562 Ti perfectly represents that philosophy. The blade is crafted from CPM 20CV steel, a premium powder steel that offers excellent edge retention and wear resistance. This means the knife stays sharp even after repeated heavy cutting tasks such as thick cardboard, rope, rubber, and plastic strapping. The blade geometry is thick and strong, providing confidence during tougher jobs while still maintaining reasonable slicing performance. The stonewash finish also helps hide wear, making the knife look good even after years of use. The titanium frame lock is incredibly solid, offering strong lockup and long-term reliability. Combined with the hardened steel lock bar insert, the knife is built to handle serious stress without developing lock stick or failure. The KVD ball bearing pivot system allows smooth and controlled blade deployment, proving that a heavy-duty knife can still have refined action. Ergonomics are another strong point. The handle fills the hand comfortably, providing excellent grip and control during extended cutting sessions. While it's heavier than lightweight EDC knives, that extra weight translates directly into strength and confidence. In 2026, many users still prefer a knife that feels substantial, and the 0562 Ti delivers exactly that. If you're searching YouTube for best heavy-duty pocket knife 2026, hard-use folding knife, or tough EDC knife, number 5 is a proven workhorse that earns its place on this list. Number 4. Chris Reeve Sebenza 31. Number 4 is the Chris Reeve Sebenza 31, a knife that represents the absolute peak of precision, craftsmanship, and long-term reliability in the EDC world. This is not a trendy knife or a flashy design. It's a tool built with perfection in mind. In 2026, the Sebenza 31 remains one of the most respected pocket knives ever made. The blade is made from CPM MagnaCut steel, which offers exceptional corrosion resistance, toughness, and edge retention. This steel performs beautifully in both everyday urban use and outdoor environments. The blade shape is simple, effective, and timeless, making it suitable for nearly any cutting task without compromise. The handle is constructed from aerospace-grade titanium, machined with extreme precision. The tolerances on the Sebenza 31 are legendary, resulting in zero blade play and unmatched smoothness. Unlike bearing-based knives, the Sebenza uses phosphor bronze washers, giving it a controlled, hydraulic feel that improves with use. This design prioritizes reliability over flashy speed. The frame lock is one of the strongest and most trusted in the industry, offering rock-solid engagement every time. The ergonomics are neutral and comfortable, making the knife easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. Everything about this knife is intentional. There are no unnecessary features or gimmicks. Number 4 is ideal for users who want a knife they can own for decades, not just years. If you're searching Best Premium Pocket Knife 2026, Chris Reeve Sebenza Review, or Lifetime EDC Knife, this model is widely considered a gold standard. Number 3. MicroTech Ultratech. Number 3 on this list is the MicroTech Ultratech, the most iconic and trusted out-the-front automatic knife in the world. In 2026, the Ultratech continues to dominate the professional OTF category, trusted by military, law enforcement, and emergency personnel worldwide. The blade is typically offered in premium steels such as M390 or MagnaCut, providing excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance. The blade shapes are designed for maximum effectiveness, offering strong piercing capability and reliable cutting performance. Whether for utility tasks or emergency use, the Ultratech performs consistently. The double-action OTF mechanism is where this knife truly shines. Deployment and retraction are lightning fast, smooth, and reliable. MicroTech's internal engineering ensures minimal blade play compared to most OTF knives, giving users confidence during use. The textured aluminum handle provides a secure grip even in wet or stressful conditions. Despite being an automatic knife, the Ultratech remains surprisingly practical for everyday carry in regions where legal. Its slim profile allows comfortable pocket carry, and the pocket clip keeps it accessible at all times. If you search Best OTF Knife 2026, MicroTech Ultratech Review, or Professional Automatic Knife, number 3 remains the benchmark by which all others are judged. Number 2. Hogue Deka MagnaCut. Number 2 is the Hogue Deka MagnaCut, a knife that delivers premium performance at an incredibly competitive price. In 2026, value matters more than ever, and the Deka proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get top-tier materials and advanced design. The MagnaCut blade offers outstanding performance across all categories, making it ideal for daily use in any environment. The blade geometry is thin and efficient, delivering excellent slicing performance with minimal resistance. The Able lock system is ambidextrous, strong, and smooth, allowing easy one-handed operation. The lightweight polymer or G10 handle keeps the knife comfortable for all-day carry without feeling cheap or fragile. For users searching best value EDC knife 2026, MagnaCut pocket knife, or budget premium folding knife. Number 2 offers exceptional performance per dollar. Number 1. Benchmade Narrows. Number 1 on our list is the Benchmade Narrows, the most advanced and forward-thinking pocket knife of 2026. This knife represents the future of everyday carry design. Combining cutting-edge materials with an ultra-minimalist profile, the MagnaCut blade delivers elite cutting performance, while the ultra-thin titanium handle makes this knife one of the slimmest premium folders ever produced. The updated Axis lock system ensures strength, safety, and ambidextrous use. Lightweight, elegant, and extremely capable, the Narrows sets a new standard. If you search Best Pocket Knife 2026, Most Advanced EDC Knife, or Benchmade Narrows review, number 1 stands above the rest. And there you have it. Those are the top advanced pocket knives of 2026, ranked from number 5 all the way to number 1. Whether you're looking for a hard-use work knife, a premium lifetime EDC, or the most advanced pocket knife design available today, this list covers the best options on the market right now. Remember, the best pocket knife is the one that fits your needs, your environment, and your daily tasks. Let us know in the comments which knife was your favorite, or if there's a model you think deserves a spot on this list.